Hey guys, in today's video, we'll go over how to install glass into our view series. This is going to apply to both swing doors and sliding door situations. Before getting started, you're going to want a few items to install the glass. The first item being a suction cup, the second being a glass cleaner, and the last item is our glass strap. The glass strap will be sent with the framing materials. We'll go over how to use the glass strap later on in this video. Prior to installing the glass, make sure the glass channel is installed into both the floor and ceiling view track, as well as the wall starts. Also make sure the correct amount of shims are installed into the floor track. As a reminder, you'll need 2 shims per pane of glass. The first step when installing the glass is installing the glass strap. The purpose of the glass strap is to keep the view track on both the floor and the ceiling from separating when installing the glass. The glass strap will hook onto the channel in the view track. You'll need to put the glass strap wherever the pane of glass is that you're installing. The strap will just need to be snugged up to again keep the track from separating. With the glass strap installed, we can now install our fixed panes of glass. Before installing the fixed panes, we recommend lubricating the glass channel with a glass cleaner. Lubricating the glass channel will help the glass go into the glass channel easier. It also allows you to move the glass left or right easier. To install the fixed panes of glass, the glass is going to go up into the ceiling track first. You're going to swing the bottom of the glass over the floor track and then drop the glass into the floor track. So go ahead and stage the bottom of the glass tight towards the floor track. Lift up your glass and go into the top track, swing over and drop down onto the shims in the floor track. Majority of glass installation situations on our view series will require a fixed pane to go into a wall start. Same as we did for the floor and the ceiling track, we'll lubricate the wall start glass channel to allow the fixed pane to slide into the wall start easily. But once you have the glass channel lubricated, all you'll need to do is push the fixed pane of glass into the wall start. Now, depending on the situation, you'll need to bury this piece of glass into the wall start, which will allow you to put the other panes of glass in. So with this piece of glass in place, we can now prep to install our other pane of glass. For the next pane of glass, I went ahead and lubricated the glass channel on both the floor and ceiling track. The installation process is going to be the same. Lift the glass up into the ceiling track and swing the bottom over the top of the bottom track and drop onto the shims. Now we'll want to leave a gap between the fixed pane of glass because we are going to have a polycarbonate strip going in between the fixed panes. To measure for the polycarbonate strip, measure from the top edge of the bottom track to the bottom edge of the top track. For 3/8 inch glass applications, you will add 1 inch to that measurement. For 1/2 inch glass situations, you will not add anything to the measurement. The reason being is the 3/8 inch polycarb will fit into the view track, whereas the 1/2 inch glass polycarb will not. To install the polycarbonate strip, place the polycarb on the edge of the glass, making sure it is tight from top to bottom. With a polycarbonate place, press the other pane of glass into the polycarb. Make sure the other pane of glass is all the way into the polycarb from top to bottom. Once in place, you'll have a nice solid connection between the fixed panes of glass with the polycarb installed. Before concluding this video, I wanted to go over a couple important topics when it comes to installing glass in our view series. The first is making sure the glass is measured for per our glass measuring guide for the view series. As long as the glass is measured for properly, the glass will fit. The second thing is this video covered general installation of the glass. The order in which the glass is installed is going to be dependent on the installation situation you have. If you have any questions on how to measure for your glass or the order in which the glass is installed, please contact our office. So this will conclude this video, and again, if you have any questions, please contact us.